mint coriander leaf chicken dry roast, or Pudina Dhania Patha chicken dry roast. A tasty and delicious dish made in restaurant style. Today we are going to make Mint Cilantro Chicken Dry Roast. The ingredients are 1 big onion cut into half, ginger, garlic, 1 lemon. Cut the onions into slices. Now the onion has been cut into small slices. Now cut the ginger into slices. The slices should be small. The garlic can be cut into small slices. Cut the lemon into 2 halves. Take off the seeds. The next set of ingredients are cilantro leaves, cumin seeds, green chilli, fennel seeds, cinnamon, or bay leaves, and mint leaves and mace. The final ingredient is chicken, around 400 grams. Take a pan, pour in some lime juice, 10 to 15 ml. Take off the seeds. Put in salt to taste. Put in half a spoon of garam masala and mix with the lemon juice. Put in the chicken pieces into the lime, garam masala, salt mixture. Pour in 2 spoons of soya sauce. Mix and marinate. Mix the chicken with the soya sauce well. Marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, after marinating for 15 minutes, close and cook in low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Now open the lid. The chicken pieces are nicely cooked. Now these pieces can be taken off the flame. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the chopped onions, garlic and ginger, and carrot. Put in the mace. Put in the cumin and fennel seeds. Put in the leaves of cinnamon leaves. Put in the green chili. And salt. Chop all the ingredients until the onions are golden brown. This will take 3 to 4 minutes. Keep on sauteing. Now put in the chicken pieces. This will be cooked in a low flame for 20 minutes. Now saute the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes over the flame. Now the chicken is fully cooked. Put in the cilantro leaves and the mint leaves and mix all the ingredients well. Under the low flame. We like to put the leaves as such. If you want, you can grind it and put them as a paste. Whichever suits you. Keep on sauteing for 5 to 10 minutes now. Now the cilantro mint leaf chicken dry is ready and can be taken off the flame. This is the final mint cilantro chicken dry roast or Dhania Patha Pudina chicken dry roast. A very tasty dish which can be easily made at home and can be served as starters or the main course. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the notification button.